house that smells good with no flies and no mosquitoes, you need to do this at your home today. That's right, folks. After this tip, your home will never be the same. For this, we're going to use 100 milliliters of water, all right? And we're going to put it inside a container. Once that's done, you're going to get some rubbing alcohol, all right? I'm using 70% alcohol, but you can use whatever you prefer, whatever you have in your house. Here too, we're going to put 150 milliliters of alcohol, all right? Folks, here I'm going to use fabric softener, all right? It has to be the concentrated fabric softener. I'm going to use 100 milliliters of fabric softener, all right? I'm going to use the concentrated fabric softener because it smells much better, all right? And I'm going to put it together with our ingredients. And here's the thing. I'm going to use cloves, all right? Well, this is the indispensable ingredient for this recipe. You're going to take a handful here and you're going to put it in here, all right? Well, cloves, folks, it has a compound called eugenol, all right? So it scares away any kind of insect that is in your house. You're going to put the clove in there and it's going to scare away all kinds of bugs, flies, any flying bugs, right? Now with the spoon, you're going to give it a light mix in here, okay? And here's the thing, guys. You're going to book this one and you're going to get a bottle of water, okay? And we're going to cut it in half here. Cut the bottle in half, guys. Look what we're going to do here. Oh, we're going to take our mix and we're going to fill it up more or less here. Oh, halfway here, right? Now you filled it here halfway. You're going to take the top part and you're going to put it on the outside here. Oh, that's how I'm doing here. Oh, and look, guys, now here's the thing. You're going to get a barbecue stick here. Oh. And look, this part that you broke that got like this with some ends, you're going to wet it like that. To get more of the smell, you're going to turn it upside down and you're going to put it here. Oh, check it out. Now with the little cap here, I made a hole here in the middle and just put it on and cover it. And put it in strategic points of your home, okay? And guys, look how cool. Here I'm going to use 2 little jars of yeast, okay? And here we're going to take our little mix as well and put it in half here. Oh, that's going to work just right. Now here, oh, we're going to cap. We're going to grab the little sticks here. Oh, wet it, let it drain and turn it upside down. And look, guys, it's cool that this is here. You can do it at home, and I'm sure you won't regret it and will fight any flying insect, okay? And it will give a wonderful smell to your home. I'm sure visitors will ask you about this wonderful smell. Here I put one in my bedroom, one in my living room, and one in my bathroom as well. That smells wonderful here, okay?